Hey there, lovely souls. Today, I want to share with you some tips on how to boost your success using an idea tracker. Confidence is key when pursuing your goals, so let's dive right in. One way to increase your confidence is by keeping track of your ideas and progress. Create a simple spreadsheet or use a planner to jot down your thoughts, goals, and achievements. This will help you stay organized and motivated on your journey to success. Another tip is to set small, achievable goals for yourself. By breaking down your big dreams into smaller tasks, you'll feel more confident in your ability to reach them. Celebrate each accomplishment along the way to boost your self-esteem and keep pushing forward. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect, but about believing in yourself and your abilities. So, stay positive, stay focused, and keep tracking those amazing ideas. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence: believe in yourself, and watch your success soar. Glowing star # confidence is key # idea tracker # success tips. Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you ready to boost your confidence and unleash your creativity with some helpful tips? Well, you're in the right place. First things first, start an idea tracker. Whether it's a physical journal or a digital document, jot down all your thoughts, ideas, and inspirations. This will not only help you stay organized but also boost your confidence by visually seeing your progress. Next, challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Try new things, experiment with different techniques, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity, and watch your confidence soar as you grow and evolve. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. So, keep tracking your ideas, keep pushing yourself, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence: you are capable of amazing things, so start tracking those ideas and watch your confidence shine bright. Dizzy.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can break bad habits using color psychology. It's a simple yet effective way to make positive changes in your life. First off, let's talk about how different colors can affect your mood and behavior. For example, warm colors like red, orange, and yellow are known to stimulate energy and creativity. So, if you're looking to kick a bad habit like procrastination, surrounding yourself with these colors can help boost your motivation and productivity. Moving on to our second point, cool colors like blue, green, and purple are known for their calming and soothing effects. If you're trying to break a habit like stress eating or smoking, incorporating these colors into your environment can help you relax and stay focused on your goals. By understanding the power of color psychology, you can take control of your habits and create a more positive and productive lifestyle. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life? Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you how success breaks confidently for Idea Tracker. Idea Tracker is a powerful tool that has helped me stay organized and focused on my goals. It allows me to track my progress, brainstorm new ideas, and stay motivated on my journey to success. One of the key features of Idea Tracker is its ability to help me prioritize my tasks and set achievable milestones. By breaking down my big goals into smaller, manageable steps, I am able to stay on track and make steady progress towards my dreams. Using Idea Tracker has not only boosted my confidence, but it has also helped me reach new levels of success that I never thought possible. So if you're looking for a way to break confidently towards your goals, I highly recommend giving Idea Tracker a try. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. Keep pushing forward and watch how success breaks confidently for you too. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving your dreams. See you next time.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into the world of vision boards and how they can transform your life. One of the most powerful aspects of vision boards is the way they can boost your confidence. By visually representing your goals and dreams, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind that anything is possible. This newfound belief in yourself can lead to a surge in confidence that propels you towards success. When you regularly look at your vision board, you are keeping your goals at the forefront of your mind. This constant reminder helps you stay focused and motivated, pushing you to take consistent action towards your dreams. So, if you want to see your confidence soar and your dreams become reality, try creating a vision board today. Trust me, the results will surprise you. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, you have the power to manifest your wildest dreams. Go ahead and create your vision board today. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about mastering the Pomodoro technique and what your routine needs to know. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that can help you boost productivity and focus. Here's what your routine needs to know. First, set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task without any distractions. This is called a Pomodoro session. Once the time is up, take a short break for 5 minutes. This helps you stay refreshed and avoid burnout. Second, after completing 4 Pomodoro sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Use this time to recharge and refocus for the next set of work sessions. Incorporating the Pomodoro technique into your routine can help you stay on track and make the most out of your workday. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll soon master the Pomodoro technique like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there! Are you looking for a quick and easy way to boost your confidence instantly? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you some awesome sticky note hacks that will have you feeling like a boss in no time. First up, grab a stack of your favorite sticky notes and write down some positive affirmations. Stick them on your mirror, laptop, or anywhere you'll see them regularly. Every time you catch a glimpse of these notes, you'll be reminded of how awesome you truly are. Next, try writing down a list of your accomplishments, big or small, on different sticky notes. Seeing all the things you've achieved written out in front of you can really help to boost your self-esteem and confidence. So there you have it, a simple and fun way to instantly boost your confidence using sticky notes. Try out these hacks and watch your self-assurance soar to new heights. Remember, You are amazing just the way you are. Uplifting ending sentence. Believe in yourself, and let those sticky notes remind you of your inner strength every day. You've got this. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to test the limits of our focus with this whiteboard setup. How quickly do you think it will break our concentration? We are starting off strong, feeling focused and ready to tackle whatever comes our way. The markers are all lined up perfectly, the erasers are within reach, and the whiteboard is spotless. Let's see how long we can keep it that way. As we dive into our tasks, the temptation to scribble on the whiteboard becomes stronger. The colorful markers are calling our name, but we resist the urge and stay on track. The setup is holding strong, but will it last? Well, it looks like this whiteboard setup can withstand the test of time. Our focus remains intact, and we are feeling accomplished. Remember, a clutter-free workspace can help boost productivity and keep distractions at bay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Uplifting ending sentence. Stay focused and keep pushing your limits. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of color psychology and how it can completely transform your mindset for the better. Color has the power to evoke emotions, influence our behavior, and even boost our mood. For example, blue is known for promoting calmness and trust, while yellow can enhance creativity and positivity. By understanding the psychology behind each color, you can strategically incorporate them into your daily life to uplift your mindset and overall well-being. Did you know that red can increase energy levels and passion? Or that green is associated with growth and harmony? By surrounding yourself with colors that resonate with your intentions and desires, you can create a powerful environment that supports your mental and emotional health. So, go ahead and embrace the power of color psychology to boost your mindset and elevate your life. Remember, you have the ability to create your own colorful world filled with positivity and joy. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's paint our lives with the vibrant hues of positivity and watch our mindset bloom like a beautiful garden. Sparkling heart rainbow. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of color psychology and how it can help you build the perfect mindset. Colors have a powerful impact on our emotions and mindset. For example, blue is often associated with calmness and trust, while yellow can evoke feelings of optimism and energy. By understanding the psychological effects of different colors, you can intentionally choose hues that support your desired mindset. One way to harness the power of color psychology is to incorporate it into your surroundings. Consider painting your workspace in shades that promote focus and productivity, or adding pops of vibrant colors to boost creativity and motivation. By mastering color psychology, you can create a space that nurtures your desired mindset and helps you achieve your goals. So go ahead and paint your world with the colors that inspire you. Remember, the perfect mindset starts with the colors you surround yourself with. Stay positive and keep shining bright.